Hello class 5. A very good morning to all children. Children, today we are going to revise our next chapter of syllabus, that is factors and multiples. Now I think your difference between factors and multiples is quite clear. Factors means if a number is given, for example, suppose 6. So it factors means 6 is divisible by which all number? 1, 2, 3 and 6 itself. So these are the factors of 6. And if question asks us to write the 4 multiples of 6. Okay, so 4 multiples of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24. These are the 6 multiples of 6. Okay, these are the 4 starting multiples of 6. Now you got difference between factors and multiples. Factor means this number, this given number is divisible by which all numbers. Multiple means which all number is divisible, or after multiplying the number from the 6, these numbers comes. Clear now? Now children, for this chapter very important topic is to know what are even numbers, odd numbers, prime numbers or composite numbers, co-prime number, twin prime number. Okay, these all are very important to know. So we'll start with even number. Even number, numbers which are multiples of 2. All the numbers which can get divided by 2 means they are multiples of 2. That type of numbers, those numbers are even numbers. And odd number, numbers which are not multiples of 2 are odd numbers. Very easy. Prime number. Prime numbers has only 2 factors. One is 1. First factor is 1 and the another factor is the number itself, and 2 is the only even prime number. Other all the prime numbers are odd. Okay, these the prime numbers are the numbers which has 2 different factors, namely the 1 and the number itself. As I told you just now, factor means that number is divisible by which all numbers, or that number comes in which all numbers tables. 3 comes in the table of 1 and table of 3 itself. 2 comes in the table of 1 and 2 itself. Now understood children? These are factors. So the numbers having only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself, is prime numbers. Composite number. Composite numbers have more than 2 factors. If a number having more than 2 factors means those numbers are composite numbers. Like 6, 1, 2, 3 and 6. These are the factors. So 6 is a composite number. Okay, multiple and factor we have just discussed. Co-prime number, those numbers which do not have a common factor between them except 1 are called co-prime numbers. Or 2 or more numbers are said to be co-prime if their highest common factor is 1. Means those numbers have only one single common factor, that is 1. Okay. Now twin prime number. Twin prime numbers are 2 consecutive prime numbers whose difference is 2, like 3 and 5, or we can take 5 and 7, or 11 and 13, 17 and 19. Means difference between those 2 numbers should be 2 and they are just 2 consecutive prime numbers. Okay, these are the different types of number which you should know for doing our chapter of factors and multiples. Now there is a test of divisibility table also. How we can check a number, how we can get answer fast. See, divisible by 2 if its ones digit is even or 0, means in the ones place. If the number is 24 or 36 or 10. So this is the ones place. So in the ones place, either even number come or 0 come, then that number is divisible by 2. Now if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, suppose 18, 1 plus 8, 9. 9 is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9, then automatic this 18 is also divisible by 3. Divisibility of 4. If the numbers found by the last two digits are divisible by 4 or the last two digits are both zeros, then that number is divisible by 4 also. Suppose this. Okay. Last two digit is divisible by 4. Last two digit. 1 plus 6, 7. Okay. So these last two digits are 7. Is it divisible by 4? No. Now, if its last ones digit is either 0 or 5, this is divisible by 5. If it is divisible by 2 and 3 both, see here. First digit is once in the ones place, even number, or when we add these, it is divisible by 3. Now divisible by 9. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, that number is divisible by 9 also. Like this, test of divisibility is given. You have to read it and go through it. Okay. Now, properties of factors and multiples. Factors. 1 is a factor of every number. Means every number is divisible by 1. Every number other than 0 is factor of itself. Okay. 2. So 2 ones are 2. 2 is factor of itself. Every number is a factor of 0 also. Okay. And factor of the number other than 0 is either less than or equal to the number. Now multiples. Every number is a multiple of 1. Every number is a multiple of itself. 0 is a multiple of every number. Every non-zero multiple of a whole number is either greater than or equal to the number. Here less than or equal to the number in the factors. In multiples it is greater than or equal to. Okay. If we write the multiple of 6, see. If we take factor 1, 2, 3 and 6, so the factor will be less than or equal to, and multiple will be more than or equal to. 6 ones are 6 and multiple will be more than 6 only. It will never come less than 6. Okay, this is the difference between factor and multiples. Now at this exercise 8a depend upon these definitions and these numbers also. I will send you some of the questions and you have to do it as your revision in today's your copy with today's date. Okay, so revise again this chapter and I am going to send you some of the questions and you have to do it in your classwork copy. See you children. We'll do the next portion of this chapter next day, that is HCF or GCF, means greatest common factor or highest common factor. So see you tomorrow. Take care and bye bye.